Are you tired of hearing job creation announcements from the government? Then you are at the right place. I will tell you how economy enables itself to create more and variety of jobs. For this, the only thing that is required is a rise in consumption at bottom. Don't worry, I will tell you a simple way of this. For now, remember, when at bottom you rise consumption, economy will rise, income, investment and employment in reaction. First, let's see how politicians usually try to raise employment. Two methods: lowering interest rates, tariff imposition. Lower interest rate increase consumption and investment in the economy, in turn employment. But lower interest rates heat up the economy as it hires the demand sharply which businesses can't meet. So prices goes up, inflation occur. Even though jobs are created in this way, but with higher inflation. Fun fact: to lower the inflation rate, Fed raises the interest rate again, which reduces the employment again. Let's talk about the second method. Politicians impose tariff on other countries in order to protect domestic industries as it creates jobs. Because of this, prices of imported goods goes up, demand goes up for domestic products. Higher demand for domestic products raises its prices and there is inflation for the consumer. Let's see the case of US tariff imposition in order to create jobs in 2018. With this method, 1800 jobs were created, but price increase cost consumer $1.5 billion more annually.